Hey, travel enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, Your Canadian Adobo Adventures. Today, we're diving into an adventure unlike any other. We're on a mission to find one of the most elusive gems of the coastline in the little big town of Jimalalud, in the island of Negros, and in the province of Negros Oriental. Right in the heart of the Philippines, it's a hidden beach that's often missed by travelers. So buckle up, because this is going to be a journey you won't want to miss. Let's go. Situated in the province of Negros Oriental, the Philippines, the municipality of Jimalalud is a fourth-class municipality. The distance from Dumaguete, the provincial capital, is approximately 98 kilometers to the north, about 2 hours drive by automobile. 32,256 persons are living there, according to the 2020 census. About 2 kilometers prior to Jimalalud proper is Barangay Bae, where this hidden gem was located, a paradise, where the sand is so soft and the water is this stunning shade of blue-green. It's like stepping into another world. This beach truly lives up to its hidden gem status. One of the best parts about finding a hidden beach like this is the sense of peace and solitude. It's not crowded or commercialized, it's just raw, natural beauty, perfect for unwinding and reconnecting with nature. This beach was a traditional swimming place back in the day in this little big town of the north. But not too many outsiders knows this place. Its breathtaking scenery, crystal clear water, soft sand, and lush greenery. Just take a look at this place. The moment you step onto this beach, it feels like you're entering a postcard. The sand here is so soft and the color of the water, just incredible. It's this mesmerizing shade of turquoise that seems to change as the light shifts. Look at those coconut trees. They're practically dancing in the breeze. The way they sway back and forth adds to the tropical paradise vibe of this beach. It's like they're welcoming us to this little slice of heaven. You know, it's not just the stunning visuals that make this beach so special. It's the whole experience, feeling the warm sun on your skin, the cool, refreshing water, and the incredible peace and quiet. It's like the world slows down here, letting you soak in every moment. The waves are so gentle, creating this soothing rhythm that makes you want to just sit back and relax. The sound of the water is like nature's lullaby, calming and perfect for unwinding. As the sun sets and the sky lights up with these incredible hues of orange and pink, it's hard not to feel a deep sense of gratitude. Moments like these remind me why I love exploring and discovering new places. This beach, with its perfect blend of beauty and tranquility, is a true gem. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope this beach has inspired you as much as it's inspired me. If you enjoyed this view, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful destinations. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the wonders of the world.